Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay December 26, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayon December 26, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral ng basan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, December 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 26, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, December 26, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of December 26, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.